How scuba diving works. Scuba diving represents one of the most remarkable achievements of modern technology and human ingenuity. What started as a necessity for underwater exploration has evolved into a popular recreational activity, offering a glimpse into the mysterious and mesmerizing world beneath the ocean's surface. This guide delves into the intricacies of scuba diving, from its fundamental principles and essential equipment to the physiological challenges and training required to become a proficient diver. Scuba diving, an acronym for self-contained underwater breathing apparatus, has come a long way since its inception. Early attempts at underwater exploration were limited by the lack of reliable equipment. The development of modern scuba gear can be traced back to the mid-20th century, with pioneers like Jacques-Yves Cousteau and Émile Gagnon, who invented the first open-circuit scuba system, revolutionizing underwater exploration. This system, known as the aqua lung, allowed divers to breathe compressed air from a tank and exhale it directly into the water, forming the basis of modern scuba diving. As a diver descends, the pressure exerted by the water increases. This pressure affects the air spaces in the body, such as the lungs, sinuses, and ears. Divers must equalize these air spaces by using techniques like the Valsalva maneuver to prevent discomfort and potential injury. Water conducts heat away from the body much faster than air, making hypothermia a risk even in relatively warm waters. Divers wear wetsuits or dry suits to insulate against the cold. Wetsuits trap a thin layer of water against the skin, which is warmed by body heat. Dry suits, on the other hand, use air as an insulator and keep the diver completely dry. Underwater visibility can vary widely depending on factors such as water clarity, light penetration, and weather conditions. A good diving mask is essential for clear vision, protecting the eyes from water pressure and providing an airspace to see through. Diving safely and comfortably requires a range of specialized equipment. Each piece plays a crucial role in ensuring the diver's safety and enhancing their underwater experience. Wetsuits are made of neoprene rubber and come in various thicknesses, depending on the water temperature. They fit snugly to trap a thin layer of water between the suit and the skin, which is then warmed by the diver's body heat. Dry suits are used in colder conditions and keep the diver dry by sealing at the neck, wrists, and ankles. They allow for additional thermal layers to be worn underneath for extra warmth. A BCD is a vest-like device that allows divers to control their buoyancy underwater. It contains an air bladder that can be inflated or deflated using a low-pressure inflator connected to the air tank. By adjusting the amount of air in the bladder, divers can achieve neutral buoyancy, making it easier to hover at a specific depth without sinking or floating to the surface. The gas cylinder, or scuba tank, is a critical component of the scuba system. It contains compressed air, or a specific gas mix like nitrox, enriched air with a higher oxygen content. Standard compressed air consists of approximately 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Cylinders are typically made of aluminum or steel and vary in size and capacity. The regulator is the lifeline for a diver, converting the high-pressure air from the cylinder to ambient pressure, making it breathable. It consists of two stages. First stage attaches to the cylinder and reduces the high-pressure air to an intermediate pressure. Second stage delivers air to the diver through a mouthpiece on demand, further reducing the pressure to ambient levels. A dive mask creates an air space in front of the eyes, allowing for clear vision underwater. Masks come in various styles, including single or double lens configurations. A good fit is crucial to prevent leaks and ensure comfort. Fins enhance a diver's mobility by providing greater propulsion with less effort. They come in various designs, including open heel and full foot models, and are essential for efficient movement underwater. For advanced diving or specific conditions, additional gear can enhance safety and the diving experience. Gauges, Pressure and depth gauges monitor the air supply and depth. Dive computer tracks dive time, depth, and decompression status. Dive light, essential for night dives or exploring dark environments. Dive knife, useful for cutting through entanglements. Understanding the physiological effects of diving is crucial for safety. The human body reacts differently under increased pressure and in an underwater environment. Breathing compressed air at depth introduces unique challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for nitrogen narcosis, a condition caused by the increased partial pressure of nitrogen, leading to a narcotic effect. Divers must also be aware of decompression sickness, DCS, also known as the bends, which occurs when nitrogen dissolved in body tissues forms bubbles as pressure decreases during ascent. To avoid DCS, divers follow specific ascent rates and safety stops, allowing nitrogen to be safely released from the body. Maintaining neutral buoyancy is vital for conserving energy and avoiding damage to underwater environments. Divers use their BCDs and controlled breathing to achieve this balance. Equalizing pressure in airspaces, such as the ears and mask, prevents discomfort and potential injury. Techniques like swallowing, yawning, or using the Valsalva maneuver help equalize pressure. Becoming a certified diver involves rigorous training to ensure safety and competence underwater. Certification programs, such as those offered by PADI, Professional Association of Diving Instructors, or NAUI, National Association of Underwater Instructors, cover theoretical knowledge, practical skills, and safety protocols. Before each dive, divers perform safety checks to ensure their equipment is functioning correctly. The BURAF acronym helps remember the steps. BCD, buoyancy control device, check inflation and deflation. Weights, ensure proper weight distribution. Releases, check all quick release buckles and straps. Air, verify air supply and regulator functionality. Final check, overall equipment inspection. Scuba diving offers unparalleled opportunities to explore underwater ecosystems and witness marine life up close. Coral reefs, shipwrecks, and underwater caves provide unique environments teeming with biodiversity. Each dive presents new discoveries, from vibrant coral gardens to encounters with majestic marine creatures like sharks, turtles, and manta rays. Scuba diving is a testament to human innovation, allowing us to explore and interact with the underwater world. Understanding the complexities of scuba diving equipment, the physiological challenges, and the training required can help prospective divers appreciate the discipline and preparation involved. Whether diving into the depths or snorkeling near the surface, the ocean offers endless opportunities for discovery, adventure, and awe-inspiring experiences.
That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.